How to make highlights private on Facebook. This tutorial shows you why you can't directly do that and what you can do instead. First, open the Facebook app on your device. After that, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. From there, scroll to the Highlights section on your profile page. At this point, tap on any highlight you have. In the next step, keep in mind highlights are always set to public, and there's no individual privacy toggle to make them private. Following this, since you can't restrict a highlight directly, the only real option is to remove it entirely if you don't want it visible. Once done, tap on the three dots next to that highlight. From here, select Delete Highlight or Remove, depending on how it's labeled. At this stage, keep in mind deleting the highlight doesn't delete the original story or post it was created from, just the highlight itself. Keep in mind blocking a specific person is the only way to stop someone individually from seeing your highlights, since there's no per audience setting available. Finally, exit back to your profile once you've removed any highlights you don't want publicly visible. And that's it. If this guide helped you understand highlights privacy on Facebook, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.